Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change status of your task in ClickUp. If you don't know yet, ClickUp is a work management platform that lets you have a workspace so you can manage all your tasks, all your details and others. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use it to change your task status. So first you can go to your ClickUp dashboard and you can choose the space or the projects you want to change the status. Let's say I'm gonna change this project one, and this is the items. So if you want to change it, you can just simply click the button here of the task, can click it, and there are the status to do, in progress, and complete. Let's say it's to do, and you want to change it to in progress. Let's say you can just click it, and then you can click in progress like that, and then it will change to in progress. As you can see, so it's separate from to do group to the in progress group. So let's say you want to also change this one, write a script, you can click it, and let's say you want to change it to complete, you can just click it, and also the task has to unresolved items. Also, you can choose continue with the resolving, or you can resolve all two items. So if you have subtasks, it will also, chance to complete. So you have three groups here, complete, in progress, and to do. It's gonna be, it's, and also you can just click close here, and then if you want to, view the subtext, you can just click on it, and then you will see the subtext. If you click it, as you can see, this is the subtext, and they also complete because the main test here is complete. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.